In today's video, we're going to take a look at this brand new product launch on Solana called X Stocks. I'm going to tell you what this project is, why you should care, and how you can potentially make money from this, give you a quick walkthrough on how to get started, and talk about some of the risks associated with it. So X Stocks was just launched a couple of days ago, and the TLDR on this is basically that you can now invest in tokenized and fractionalized stocks or equities on Solana. So what that means is you can actually buy shares of these companies that are listed on traditional stock markets, except now you can hold shares of these on the Solana blockchain. So for example, you can buy shares of Google, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, etc. This is the whole list of options that are available right here. As you can see, they've actually launched quite a few. And for each one of these, there's a contract address in the middle, Solana address. And so what this is the token address. So for example, if I copy the token address for the Google X stock, which represents shares of the Google company, and then go over to a Solana DEX like Jupiter, then I can paste it in here and actually buy shares of Google X. And you can swap any other token into this. So for example, I can literally, as of right now, swap Fartcoin into Google. All you have to do is select how much. And since these are tokenized, that means they're completely fractionalized. So you don't need to buy one full share like in many cases with brokerage accounts, traditional accounts you do. You can buy fractional amounts. So for example, I can swap 5 Fartcoin into 0.033 Google shares. So let's go ahead and make a swap. It's literally as simple as that. All you need to do to actually buy and sell shares of these is have a Solana wallet with some tokens in it. Boom. So now I am a proud shareholder of the Google Corporation. Although legally, technically, it's not exactly as if I have all the full rights of a shareholder, but we'll talk about some of the differences when I talk about the risks in a minute or two. Now, in terms of why you should care about this or how you can potentially make money from this, basically, this is sort of giving access to invest in traditional stock markets to a wide variety of people that may not previously have had access to that. And so it sort of increases the options for investors and potentially accesses additional liquidity. Literally anybody around the world with a Solana wallet can swap any token into these because there's liquidity pools established in decentralized exchanges. Now, technically, each one of these X stock tokens is backed one-to-one by the underlying security. So for every share of Google X that's minted on the Solana blockchain, the company behind this should be holding 1 share of Google in reserve so that it's always backed one-to-one. And that is actually where we can talk about some of the risks associated with this, because obviously there is some counterparty risk. We have to trust that the company behind this actually is holding the shares that are backing these tokens on Solana, and that when people go to make redemptions, they could actually do so. Now, the other thing that's important to note is that this is geo-blocked for some people, notably people that live in the United States of America. And so while you can actually buy and sell these permissionlessly on a decentralized exchange like Jupiter, if you live in the geo-blocked areas of the world, you wouldn't be able to actually redeem your Google X for actual shares of Google. The process for redemption requires that you have to complete a bunch of KYC and go through sort of verification processes to prove where you live and who you are. So when it comes to actually on-ramping and off-ramping, if you wanted to redeem your Google X for Google, it's not quite so simple. But realistically, that's not a massive barrier for most people, because if you ever wanted to cash out, you wouldn't need to actually exchange and go through that whole process. You could literally just go back to where you bought it from and then swap it into USDC, USDT, or whatever other coin you wanted, Fartcoin, who knows? Now, in terms of accessing this otherwise, it looks like it's going to be available on some actual centralized exchanges like Kraken, for example. So there are other opportunities to access these X stocks. And then once you have these stocks in your wallet, other ways that you could potentially make money, aside from speculating on the asset prices of all of these different ticker symbols, is that you can actually use the tokens in DeFi, which is a massive unlock, in my opinion, in terms of pushing the boundaries of how this is going to work. So for example, Loopscale has already announced that you can now use these X stocks as collateral. obviously there's risks associated with that. Aside from all of the counterparty and smart contract risks, if you use your stocks as collateral to, say, take out leverage and make trades, then you do run the risk of liquidation, of course. So not necessarily something I would recommend, except for people that are really advanced traders and understand how to take advantage of this while minimizing the downside risk. Another really interesting thing that you can do is provide liquidity and earn yield. So for example, I just looked for the SPYX token, which is the S&P 500 ETF, but the tokenized version from X stocks. And there's already a couple of liquidity pools, even though this just launched the other day, where you can earn a yield on your tokens as well as maintain that exposure to the stock, the underlying stock itself. And since this is brand new, of course, there's not that much liquidity, and the yield on these, it's still kind of settling in at what it should be. But as we move forward, there's going to be more and more liquidity pools backing more and more tokens, and this just provides additional opportunities for people to get exposure in crypto to stocks. So overall, I would say this is a really interesting opportunity, a new unlock, and it is a solid potential way to make money in crypto, but diversifying exposure away from like meme coins, for example. But I do have to highlight again a couple of the risks. For starters, there's that smart contract risk. That's with anything in crypto, there could be some sort of hack, and you have to always be aware of that. Then there's a counterparty risk. Is X stocks legit? I actually did find a post or two from a couple people saying that the team behind this allegedly may have had some ICOs in the past that didn't necessarily go too well. So they raised a bunch of money and then never ended up following through on the product. That doesn't necessarily mean that their new project is going to follow a certain path, but you do have to be aware that the team behind this is a counterparty risk. We have to trust that they are holding the assets, that the tokens that are launching on Solana are actually backed one-to-one. Otherwise, we could see depegs, and that could lead to some sort of cascading issues when it comes to deploying these assets in DeFi. So given those risks and how brand new this new app is, I would say tread with caution. However, you could potentially experiment a little bit. You could make money from price appreciation, from deploying these assets in DeFi. I haven't heard anything about an airdrop from X stocks or other types of point systems or yields, but you can never fully discount that, and it is always sort of a back pocket possibility. And as we see more and more DeFi integrations, I think that the opportunities with this are going to grow. So it never hurts to be early to new metas. This is super interesting, and while it is definitely risky, it's something that I'm personally willing to explore with a small amount of money. Of course, not financial advice, and always do your own research. Hopefully you found this little video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. And in the future, I'll be sharing more simple breakdowns of new projects, exploring the frontiers of crypto, checking out new apps, and telling you what they are, how you can potentially either make money or have fun using them, and give quick, easy walkthroughs and tutorials. Have a great day.